This is a call for legislative and executive attention in the state of Alabama. While it is well established that the judicial branch interprets the law, that interpretation must occur within the bounds of constitutional fidelity and legislative intent. The balance of powers was never meant to be passive. It was designed to be active, responsive, and self-correcting. So what is the legislative intent and constitutional requirement regarding indictments? Alabama law and the Constitution itself make clear: no person may be convicted of a felony except on an indictment by a grand jury. That indictment must specify the crime, plainly, formally, and in advance, so the accused can prepare a defense. This is not a legal technicality. It is a cornerstone of due process. In Jason Green's case, that didn't happen. He was indicted for intentional murder. But after all the evidence had been presented, after the witnesses were dismissed, the court permitted the jury to convict him of reckless manslaughter based on a suicide theory that was never alleged in the indictment and never argued at trial. This is not a disputed fact. It is a matter of record. The question now is not only whether Jason Green was denied his constitutional rights, but whether our entire system is willing to look the other way when those rights are violated. We often hear that federal courts are the backstop when state systems fail. Jason is now asking the federal judiciary for relief, and they may well act. But here's the bigger question. If Alabama's judiciary fails to uphold Alabama's legislative intent and constitutional duty, where is Alabama's legislative and executive intervention? Are the laws passed by our elected lawmakers just suggestions? Is a conviction worth so much that we'll suspend the rules to get one? And when the rules are ignored, what responsibility does the legislature bear for standing by in silence? If one branch goes too far, it is not only the right of the others to speak, it is their duty. That is what checks and balances require. Jason Green is not the first, and he will not be the last. But he may be the turning point, if someone with authority and integrity says, enough. So I ask, who in Alabama's government will step forward? Who will lead with courage, not political calculation? Who will restore integrity to a system that claims to serve justice? The world is watching. The documentary The Alabama Solution is only the beginning. The time to act is now.